Hello, I'm currently on set for the film The Understanding. I've been allowed to make this very short art therapy video whilst on set in between filming. I play a vicar. Do I summon up demonic spirits? Do I fight them? Do I say decease and desist? Do I become overcome? Do I die? Do I say, you'll have to watch the film. In a way, a vicar has a to-do list. Must get up, must take service, must do this, must service at 11 o'clock, choose the hymns, welcome in the congregation, work out what the address is going to be, perhaps before, read it out, console people, perhaps, end of the service, say goodbye. They have a schedule. And with art therapy, or with any sort of productivity course that you may be on, or any management course, you usually have a to-do list. Well, what I would like you to consider is a not to-do list. Make a list of things not to do. Now, why aren't you going to do them? 3 possible reasons. First of all, it's somebody else's responsibility. We're not talking about the blame game where you blame someone else for the burglary because you left the door open and they left the door open. It's a collective responsibility. We're not talking about that. I mean, that's kind of something like a cabinet in government or something. No, when it's clearly someone else's responsibility, not necessarily their job, but their ultimate responsibility, they do it, not you. Don't micromanage. Another possible reason could be that you can do this tomorrow. You don't have to do it now, take the pressure off. Just do it tomorrow. And the third thing, we're not talking about procrastination, we're just saying it's not as urgent as you think. Prioritize your life and your health and your life-work balance. Look after yourself. If you don't love yourself, why should anybody else? And the third possibility is that, like the Serenity Prayer, the third possibility is you simply cannot do it. It's outside your control. Wisdom to know the difference. Things you can do, things you can't do. So it's somebody else's responsibility, or it's outside your control, or it can be put off to tomorrow. So this is a not to-do list. And in art therapy groups, people come along and they say, oh, I've got to do this, I've got to do this, I've got to do this, got to take the kids, got to buy this, got to do this, got to sort this out, got to do the washing, got to do the shopping, I've got to make sure that's good. No, some things, yes, you prioritize, but some things can be deferred as long as they don't all build up. Some things you can delegate. You can't do everything. And some things you can never do. Know the difference. So this art therapy is the not to do list. Why don't you have a go? Thank you.